Hey Mac lovers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you a small trick to avoid typing email, number, and whatsoever you're typing again and again. Let's do this. Go to System Preferences and click on Keyboard. Now, go to Text. There are two columns, Replace and With. Replace is a small shortcut, or I would say a nickname for your text. Let's take an example. I would add @ for replace and my email address in with column. Let's take a couple of more examples. Now let's see how it works. Now I'll type @ and there you go. Here's my email. I'll just press tab and that's it. Let's try the other ones as well. So this was the small trick to avoid writing the whole text when you have to write it repetitively. Thanks for watching and please like, share and comment.